So in this verse, which is also quoted here, 1866 from the Gita, Sarva dharman prityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papevyo mokshayishami masucha. Give up all your occupations and just become surrendered unto me. I will give you assurance that I shall give you protection from all sinful reaction. So, Jiva Goswami, he comments on this phrase in the verse, Sarva papevyo. Krishna is saying, I'll take away all your pap. Pap means sin. So Jiva says it actually means that Krishna will remove all the obstacles to practicing bhakti. And he says that I will remove all your sins, it says that refers to removing all the sins of this life and previous lives. That's pretty good. Pap means sin. Sarva papevyo. Krishna is very kind. We just serve Krishna. He takes care of everything else. All our debts, all our responsibilities, and all the contaminations in our heart, the sins and bad desires, Krishna takes those away from our heart also. So these are describing different aspects of bhakti yoga.